In the blush of early morning, as dawn greets the sky, I see the gentle unfolding of a love that will never die. Each ray of light that dances on dew-kissed leaves, whispers of His eternal care, a promise that never grieves. The mountains grand and ancient in silent majesty stand, their timeless strength a reflection of His ever-loving hand. Every breeze that stirs the quiet earth, every ripple in the stream, reveals a truth so profound, like a never-ending dream. In nature, His eternal love shines bright, guiding every heartbeat, transforming darkness into light. From the bloom of a single flower to the vast, endless skies, I see His love in every moment where true beauty lies. As the forest awakens with the chorus of the day, birds sing melodies of hope, leading my soul on its way. The gentle hum of life, the rustle of the ancient trees, each note a sacred reminder of His grace carried on the breeze. And every sun sets fire, and every starlit night, I find comfort in His promise, a love that fills me with light. In the whisper of the wind and the murmur of the rain, I hear the echo of His kindness, soothing every ounce of pain. In the whisper of the wind and the murmur of the rain, I hear the echo of His kindness, soothing every ounce of pain. And in nature, His eternal love shines bright, illuminating my journey, making every shadow take flight. From the smallest budding leaf to the boundless sky above, all creation sings in harmony of His unending love. When life's trials seem to dim the sparkle in my eyes, I'll seek solace in the beauty that around me lies. For in the gentle pulse of nature, I'm reminded once again that His love is ever present, a refuge from all pain. Every sunrise is a promise, every nightfall a lullaby, that in nature's tender embrace His love will never die. Now I walk a path of wonder, where the earth and sky entwine, every step a hymn of gratitude, every breath a sacred sign.